So this model right here is showing interphase. We know it's interphase because we have a nucleus, and these two black dots, which we learned on the cell model, are centrioles, and this is what they look like on this model, and we can see those centrioles are real close together there. Now, centrioles are not something you have to know, but it helps identify this phase. So this phase of mitosis here is really the first phase of mitosis, and this is prophase. This is showing an early prophase, and this is showing a later prophase. Now, it doesn't matter if you put early or late, just prophase is what we want, though. How we know this is prophase is these centrioles, which were close together in interphase, are now moving apart from each other. Another thing that happens here is the chromosomes become visible, and then in this later stage of prophase, the nucleus has broken up and it is no longer visible. So the next stage, following prophase, is metaphase. In metaphase, here the chromosomes have lined up in the middle of the cell, or sometimes referred to as the metaphasal plate. So right along the equator or center of the cell. Both of these models are once again showing an early and late. This is early anaphase, this is a later anaphase. Both of these are anaphase, and that's all we require. But what's happening here is the chromosomes have now been separated from each other, and now they're moving to opposite ends of the cell. So this is early on in that separation, this is later on in that separation. So that is anaphase. So this is telophase, this is our last stage of mitosis. What's happened here is the chromosomes have completed their migration, new nuclei are forming here, and also what we're seeing here is we're seeing this pinching in between those two new nuclei, and this is called cytokinesis. And this will actually finish up after telophase. But this stage here is telophase. The last stage here gets us back to interphase. So interphase is everything outside of mitosis. So in this case here, we have two cells now. Cytokinesis has been complete. We now have two cells, and now both of these cells are back to interphase.